we're just gonna do this. You know, if we fuck up our hair, then we fuck up our hair. Just kidding.
I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. I'm kicking back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
I'm just like messing with my hair, and I kind of want to do something like, I don't know, I kind of want to cut some bangs. It's like I kind of do and then I kind of don't. So I'm going to cut some bangs so that they're like kind of versatile, so that I can still like, you know, if I don't really want them, I can still kind of brush them to the side. And plus, like when my hair's curly, you know, they're gonna like shrink up, and so like maybe like I can kind of blend them in with the longer hairs or something, you know. So usually this is what my bangs look like. They're just this, and they're long. So if I'm wearing my hair in a ponytail, I usually like while my hair is straight. Oh yeah, and my hair has been straight for a while now, so it's like, that's why it looks a little poofy. See, it's a little poofy because it's been straight for a while. It's about time to wash it, so I'll probably be doing that soon, but until then, I kind of want to, I don't know, I just want to mess around with my bangs. So this is what my bangs usually look like. What I'm going to do when I'm part the hair that I want for the bangs, right? So we're gonna do, try to on camera. So it's usually like, I usually part like a little triangle. I'm gonna part about that much hair, but make sure it's even. Okay, so this is the section of my bangs. Okay, it's a triangle, so, and I don't want to do too much hair because I don't want them too thick. We're just gonna do like that. Then I'll put the rest of my hair in a ponytail. So, yeah. So we want to do something like, I just think I look cute with bangs, but at the same time, so instead of like, I'm not going to cut this whole thing. We're going to do something like, I think it's called like curtain bangs, so that you can kind of, you know, like do something a little like that with them, but like, I don't know. So like they're not like too short and completely blunt across. So, you know, I'm trying to do something where I can still like, you know, style it differently if I wanted to. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull some hair in just the middle. The section in the middle is what I'm actually going to cut, like straight. And then, I don't know, we're just gonna do this. You know, if we fuck up our hair, then we fuck up our hair. Just kidding. No. Okay, I think this is what I want to do. So the middle is going to be cut straight, and then the sides, we're going to kind of like do like a little, what do you call it? Like, we're just going to get like, it's going to get like shorter to longer, or short to long. Okay, so where's my hair cutting? Okay, so these are my hair cutting scissors. I'm going to cut. So we're going to do the middle piece. I'm going to start with, I want it to come down to like maybe around right here, I think, or up here. You don't want it up here. You want to make sure I want it around the eyebrow. Alright, so I'm going to cut it right here. Okay, as you can see. Bangs. Because when we style them too, like you're probably gonna have like a slight curve to them, which, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna work on like just making them a little bit more even. I gotta make sure the hair is falling into the garbage can. They cut like that, do like little small pieces so that it trims little small pieces at a time, and then the ends will kind of be a little more feathery like. Okay, so we're gonna try leaving it about right there. And then for the sides, I'm going to about where the bangs end. I'm just going to very lightly. It kind of goes I'm right-handed. I still like the sides to be kind of long a little bit, so maybe we could just do something like that. Do something like that. We could just do something like that. Did I make a mistake? Okay, so it'll look better once we style it or whatever. So I'm gonna use the flat iron. Heat that up for a minute. I hope this is gonna work out when my hair is curly. So I gotta like part it to a section. I wanna make sure that they're like pretty straight. I'm gonna do that. There. Look, the camera just looks different on camera. Yeah, so that's my bangs. Sexy, right? And then I could wear them, you know, like just to push them to the side like this. Yeah, I could push them to the side like that. You know, or keep them more like this. Or like this. But when I wear my hair down, my hair's puffy right now, so you can't really. That's how it looks pretty much when I'm wearing it down, right? And then like maybe still do that. Look, you know, I just have a really big ass forehead, okay? So sometimes that's why I be like wanting to play around with bangs and stuff. Cause you know my forehead's be looking extra big. So like, I just gotta look at this. Look at this forehead. Okay, this is a big ass forehead. That's why I like, especially if I do slicked back looks. If I do slicked back looks, you know, I gotta have make sure some baby hairs are slicked down. Cause you know we need to minimize that forehead. Okay. I don't like the big forehead on me. Okay. You know, maybe it looks good on Rihanna, but I don't like that big forehead on me. It just don't go in my face. No. We need to. I'm gonna shrink it down. I'm shrinking down my face like this, okay? Hopefully it works out when my hair's curly, because obviously these will shrink up, so hopefully I can just find a way to like, because they'll probably be too short to wear like curly bangs, but if I can just like they'll work out if I can like blend them a bit with the longer hairs or something. We'll see. We'll see what happens, y'all. In the meantime, these are my bangs. Actually, let me style my hair in some type of way. But since my hair is poofy, then I don't want to style it like down really, because it's kind of too poofy. I mean, it looks alright, but I mean, you get an idea of how it looks if I'm gonna wear it down. Yeah, we can like still comb it completely to the side, like that, and you do some ish like this. And we can still do that. Because, you know, I'm just trying to frame my face a little bit because of this big ass forehead. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just put it in a ponytail or something for now. Maybe leave out some sideburns or something, right? It seems like my hair's getting longer since my last video. And sometimes like these kind of bangs are cute too. When you do like that messy, you know, the kind of like messy ponytail look. This is like with these kind of bangs that kind of, it's like, that's like that, you know, that flirty ponytail. My ponytail getting longer, guys. Look at how long my ponytail is now. Hey, look at how long my ponytail is now, yo. It's lit. And then with the bangs. Yo, we lit, yo, we lit. You know, I just feel like I need like my hair to like just go and suit my nose rings. I don't know, like see, I'm looking in the mirror and I'm looking at the viewfinder of the camera, and it's like I feel like you're not seeing how I look in the mirror. You're seeing, I don't know, I look more funny looking in this camera for some, like this camera, I just feel like this camera like just like be distorting my features and whatnot.
Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Damn, she fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Shawty think she too hot, I think I'm the shit. Nose ring like I'm Tupac, yeah we getting lit. Shawty getting juiced up, it's a gangsta party. Smoking like we Snoop Dogg, hunger who she with? I think it is her birthday. Yeah, it's going down, it's going up on a Thursday. Send another bottle out, I can see she worth it. We can have a drink, champagne if you're thirsty. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit.